Before we start playing around with the Lumetri color controls, we first have to know what we're doing. So let's have a look at colors and where they come from. Here is a color wheel. We're going to see this more often throughout this course. If we start on the top, we see the color yellow. Going around from the right, we'll see red, magenta, blue, cyan, green, and again yellow. We can use this wheel to mix a selected color with our video clip or an existing color. When mixing colors in video, we talk about additive mixing. Another way to mix colors is with paint. Here we talk about subtractive mixing. This often gets us confused. If you ask someone how to make a yellow color green, usually they will answer with blue, and that's correct. If you mix yellow paint with blue paint, you get green paint. The three basic colors in ink or paint are blue, red, and yellow. With these three colors, we could make any other color. But if we mix all three colors together, we get black. Now, digital colors don't work with paint. Look at your computer screen. What comes out of it? Indeed, light. Just light, nothing more. And in colored light, we have different base colors, namely red, green, and blue, RGB. With these three colors, we can create any other color. And if we mix all three together, we get white light. As with paint, we would have gotten black. So, which additive color should we add to form yellow into green? Well, we remove the color red. You see, that's the great thing about digital colors. We can remove something. This image here shows the three base colors. When they overlap each other, we get some new colors. Green and red forms yellow. Green and blue forms cyan. And blue and red forms magenta, and if we combine all colors together, we get white. Doesn't this chart look familiar? Indeed, it's the color wheel. But how do we get black then? Well, we dim the intensity of the light. Make sure to dim all of them equally. If blue and green is at 70% and red is at 20%, we could look cyan. So bring all of them down equally until red, green, and blue all sit at 0% intensity. And where there is no light, there is darkness, or black. Thanks for watching.